Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Gray skies and persistent rain and snow chances have been kind of the hallmarks of our January to this point. There is another wave of mixed precipitation likely to come our way as we get into Monday night and Tuesday morning. This morning, as we check out Storm Track Live, you can see that we had another wave of precipitation move through, primarily focused further south toward Interstate 94. That's where they stacked up. A little bit of rain and snow early on today. That did exit the region rather quickly as we went into this afternoon, and there were just a couple of peaks of sunshine, but that has been kept at a premium here around West Michigan. Morning mix totals, this is the rain and melted snowfall. In Benton Harbor, 16/100ths of an inch, 1/10 of an inch in Kalamazoo, receiving 5/100ths in Battle Creek and 3/100ths in Grand Rapids. So not a major dose of precipitation by any means, but once again, we did receive some precipitation out there, and that brings our total last week up to 1.64 inches. And for the month of January, we're now at over 4.5 inches of liquid precipitation, so exceeding average by over 2 1/3 inches. Here's a look at our flood watch now. This includes the Grand River near Comstock Park, as that is going to be continuing through the later portions of this week. This is going to be minor flooding. Just a couple of roads near the river are likely to be affected with some of that water. And along the Grand River, we should expect to see that crest at 12.3 feet as we move into February 1st. And then it looks like that will reside as we get into the coming weekend. So it looks like as we check out our future cast now, we should expect to see some breaks in the clouds for tomorrow afternoon, welcoming back some sunshine to the mix. It doesn't last for very long, though. You can see our next system pinwheeling its way from northwest to southeast into Michigan as we get into the early morning hours of Tuesday. Cold enough at first, probably orienting more of that precipitation into snow. And then as some warmer air looks to track in on Tuesday afternoon, we'll see a flip over into some liquid precipitation. But even then, it's really not going to be a whole lot, and it should be exiting the area by Tuesday evening. Cloudy skies persist then into Wednesday, and then we should see some more breaks in the clouds as we approach the weekend. Some good news to share there. As far as precipitation goes, probably about 1/10 of an inch or less. An inch or less of snow. That's going to be slushing out with a mix over into some rain too, but even still could make for some slippery conditions for the morning commute on Tuesday, so just make sure to continue to be cautious there. Look outside at our Ford International Airport camera now, a peaceful scene as our temperatures are currently in the lower to middle 30s, 33 Grand Rapids, 32 in South Haven, and 35 is the update in Benton Harbor. It's going to be warm as we move into the month of February. Temperatures favored to be pretty far above average, the 4th through the 10th. And as we check out the 8-day forecast here, you should expect to see temperatures in the 30s and 40s for several days. 43, the warmest temperature on Thursday, before a slight cool down into this weekend. Amanda?